Hey y'all, it's been kind of a crazy day today. We had a huge storm come through and my beautiful garden, I kind of lost half of it. So we're gonna go check it out and see what it looks like. I got my peach peppers even though they were underneath the porch. I put my cover up and it almost picked the whole thing up actually. The wind was so bad. Oh no. Looks like I lost a tomato plant. Oh, I lost all my peppers. Oh no.
Come on.
My mom's out here trying to help me figure out how to save them. I don't know if we can. I came out here in the middle of the storm and tried to brace everything up, but it did not work as well as I wanted it to.
No, I don't think you've lost them.
Oh, the poor tomatoes. Sadly, this is all part of gardening and it happens, and sometimes it can be heartbreaking, but hopefully I can rescue some of these. Not as many of them snapped at the bottom like I thought, but we will see. I will update y'all. Have a good one, guys.